Everyone, my name is Mike Dalramani. Today in this video I'm going to be quickly showing you how you can list your own integration or application on GitLab's partner page. Here in our partner page we have several different sections according to which category your solution may fall under, and you can list your app as seen below. Here are just some of our Kubernetes partners, cloud platform partners, as well as other integrations. You can follow the instructions on our page at about.gitlab.com/partners/integrate. So I'll be walking you through some of these steps on how to update the Applications YAML file and update your logo onto our page. To get started, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the page and go ahead and open it up in the Web IDE. What this will do is navigate you to gitlab.com inside the project, which stores our website. So once you're in the IDE, the first step is to navigate into the data directory and update the Applications YAML file. Here you can see the listings as outlined in the YAML. Some of the important sections include the title, the content, the links, and the corresponding URL. So go ahead and get started. We're going to first query for the section we want to post under. For example, code quality. I'm going to be using Tracker, a new integration with GitLab, as an example on how to list that application to integration. So at the end of the code quality section, I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste some of the pre-written YAML text that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and post it in a similar format at the end of this file as a last entry under code quality. I'm going to go ahead and make sure the indentations line up, because that's very important for YAML. And it seems like they do. So here you can see the URLs that I've listed and the corresponding title. The thing to note is the title, T-R-A-K-R, as it's spelled. This is going to be important in reference to how you update, or excuse me, how you name your logo file and when you upload it. So the next step is to upload your logo, and that should be uploaded into source images, applications, apps. And remember, it should be a PNG corresponding to the title of the entry in the YAML file. And if you have any spaces in your title, you can substitute those spaces with an underscore. So for example, in this example, I would upload a PNG, trakr.png, into the corresponding directory. So let's go ahead and navigate to source, images, applications, apps. And then on the right-hand side of the directory, in the drop-down, you can click Upload File. Find it locally, and go ahead and click Open. And there's the logo that I want associated with that new entry into the Applications YAML file. So far, I've made two changes: updates to the file and uploaded the logo. So let's go ahead and go click on Commit, because we're ready to commit our changes. And we're going to go ahead and stage our changes. Once these changes are staged, we can go ahead and give a quick commit message that describes the work that we've done. I'm going to go ahead and create a new branch and start a new merge request and click commit. I'm going to retain the default value for the title of the branch. You could customize it if you would prefer, but in this example I'm going to keep it the way it is. And once we've got our merge request, we can go ahead and use a template that will give us instructions on what to do next. So here's the checklist of things we should do. First, let's give it the appropriate title. Next, let's go down our checklist. We went ahead and added the application's data to the corresponding Applications YAML file, so we can check that off. We also uploaded the logo to the corresponding directory, so we can check that off. Let's go ahead and assign the MR with the appropriate labels. Once we've completed that, we can check that off. And then lastly, let's go ahead and give it the appropriate milestone and assign it to the appropriate person. Go ahead and assign it to myself, Mike Rahmani. And the subsequent steps will be left for me to review and then pass on to Tech Writer's review. Once completed, go ahead and scroll down and check the box for housekeeping. Delete source branch when merge request is accepted, so it's not lingering. And then also squash any commits if we were to have subsequent commits, so it's all consolidated. Now you can submit merge requests. What you'll notice is it'll go ahead and kick off a pipeline. And once that pipeline is completed, you will see another logo for Review App, and that's where you can see your application in a staging environment and validate that your listing is as you desire it. The last step for me would be to review it and go ahead and find someone within GitLab that can approve your merge request, and then it'll be subsequently listed in our public-facing webpage. Thanks for watching, and look forward to additional MRs coming our way. Thanks.